Today we are going to discuss about fishing industry. Let us start with the definition of fishing industry. The fishing industry includes any industry or activity concerned with taking, culturing, processing, preserving, storing, transporting, marketing or selling fish or fish products. Means any industry which is related to fish or fish products for storing, transporting, preserving, processing related to these all process, we will call that industry as fishing industry. It is defined by the Food and Agricultural Organization, or this industry come under the category of Food and Agricultural Organization. Fishing industry always related to the Food and Agricultural Organization. The commercial activity is aimed at delivery of fish and other seafood product for human consumption. Commercial activity means the selling of these products, industrial products, fishing industry product. That is that a commercial activity aimed mainly at the delivery of fish and fish other seafood products for the human consumption. The livelihood of 500 million people in developing countries depends on fisheries. 500 million people depends on fisheries for their livelihood. Major fishing grounds of the world. Major fishing industries of the world. More than 36,000 fishes are found in the world. It's written 3600, but it is 36,000 fishes are found in the world. 8.5 tons of fishes are caught all over the world. All over the world together, 8.5 tons of fishes are caught. Most of it is found in the northern hemisphere. Following are the five major fishing grounds of the world, fishing areas of the world. They are the northwestern or northwest Pacific region, northeast Atlantic and adjacent waters of Arctic, the northwest Atlantic, the northeast Pacific, the west central Pacific. These are the five major fishing grounds in the world. We can start with the first one, the northwest Pacific region. It extends southward from the outer Atlantic, started from the outer Atlantic islands in the north to the central Pacific. It started from the north outer Atlantic and it extends to the southward to central Pacific. Started from outer Atlantic islands to the central Pacific. Then main fish we can found here: salmon, king carp, fluring, halibut, cod. These are the most important fishes in this area. Once again, the most important fishes in this area: salmon, king carp, fluring, halibut, cod. Japan, commercial fishing is in this area. Japan will come. So the Japan, which related commercial fishing, that commercial fishing is developed commercial fishing they are using for the highly organized industry with modern fishing methods. They are using for developing their fishing industry. They are using most modern technologies in this fishing. Second one, the northeast Atlantic and adjacent waters of the Arctic. It extends from Iceland to Mediterranean shores. It extends from Iceland to Mediterranean shores and it includes different European countries, especially Norway, Denmark, Spain, Iceland and UK. Shallow waters of North Sea, especially Dogger Bank. This Dogger Bank is located near UK. So this also includes in this area, North at East Atlantic and adjacent waters of Arctic. Adjacent waters of Arctic means some areas or some places of Arctic Ocean also we will found this type of fishes. Then the northwest Atlantic. Third one, the northwest Atlantic. This includes Grand Bank, Georges Bank area of northwest Atlantic. Northwest Atlantic, some two banks are the Grand Bank and Georges Bank. This both area includes in this northwest Atlantic region. The convergence of Gulf Stream and Labrador Current is in this region increases productivity of fish. In this region, huge productivity of fish is are there because of Gulf Stream and Labrador Current. The Northeast Pacific. It extends from Alaska to California along the western shores of North America. It extends from Alaska to California along the along the western shores of North America. Salmon is the most valuable fishes in this region. Another fishes we can found here, herring and haddock. One more fish is there, that is cod fishing ground. It is mainly known as the cod fishing ground. This fishing ground comprises the world's best cod fishing ground. So these all fishes we can found in this area. The West Central Pacific. It extends from Philippines and Luzon southward to the Australian coast. It extends up to here. Then a wide variety of fishes flourish in this extensive region. Together with Indian Ocean, this region comprises with Indian Ocean. This area comprises a major marine environment. Then in our country, fishing industry, how fishing industry works in our country. India is one of the major producers of fish in the world. The fishing industry is mainly concentrated along the coastline. Coastlines of India mainly concentrated along the coastlines of India, coast or seashores of India. The main centers of fishing industry in India are Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal. So among all together we can tell India is one of the major producers of fish in the world. So these all are about the fishing industry I want to discuss with you now. So next class we will discuss about the automobile industry. That's all for today. Thank you all.